Are you looking for a coaching classes for your CS Executive Module 2? If you are, then you are at a right place because I have a good news for you guys. Unacademy is coming up with 2 fresh batches exclusively for CS Executive Module 2. First batch is starting from 12th of January 2022 and that will be 100% exclusively English batch. Yes, where you will get an opportunity to learn from India's top-notch educators. You will get live interactive sessions, doubt solving sessions, updated notes and notes from India's top educators and mock test opportunity also. Yes, I know how important is mock test for us. So what are you waiting for? Download their app right now. Select your goal, like whether you want to go for module 1 or module 2, but this one is for module 2. So select your goal module 2 and pay your fees and you are good to go. Fees details are here on the screen. I will share, and by any chance if you feel कि थोड़ा महंगा हो रहा है, then you can use my code CSPRIYA and you will get 10% off. So what are you waiting for? Download the app right now. Second batch is starting from 19th January 2022. So if you by any chance miss the first batch, you can still join the second batch, जहाँ पे you will get CS अमित वोरा के lectures. Yes, वहाँ पे भी you will get live interactive sessions. जो भी features है सारे features मिलेंगे आपको. So by any chance if you miss the first one, you can join the second one. And this one is our famous batch, शिखर batch. So आपको बस app download करना है, आपका goal decide करना है and you are good to go. If you wish to do, if you wish to get group 1 and group 2 both, then also you have the chance. यहाँ पे fees detail मैं screen पे share कर देती हूँ. You can go for both the groups, or if you want to just go for the group 2, then you can go for that also. You can use my code CSPRIYA to get 10% off. नहीं use करते हो तभी भी कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपको ज़्यादा fees पे करनी है तो pay कर सकते हो. और अगर कम करनी है, then you can use my code CSPRIYA. I wish you guys a very all the best and very all the best. So I wish you guys best of luck for your exam, for your preparation. I would suggest you to go for Unacademy अगर आप एक pocket friendly coaching classes ढूंढ रहे हो तो.